Devastating for Mrs. Birnie. It's devastating for the rest of the family. It's something they'll never get over.
Attorney Thom Waun is representing Tina Birnie in a lawsuit against the driver that killed her husband, Flint Police Captain Collin Birnie, in February.
They've lost a loved one. They've lost somebody who provided for their family. And that's the reason you pursue a claim like this.
The driver, who was 16 at the time of the incident, lost control of his vehicle on Elms Road and crossed the center line, crashing into Birnie's vehicle. Waun claims that the driver drove in a careless and reckless manner, in total disregard of the rights and safety of others. As we reported in August, the teen pled guilty in court to 1 count of reckless driving causing death.
This was a 16-year-old young man who caused this accident. He was going 107 miles an hour when he lost control of his vehicle.
The driver's father is also named as a defendant in the lawsuit that is seeking an amount that far exceeds $25,000.
Whether it's a father and son, whether it's a brother allowing his brother to use a car, it's whether an employer is allowing their employee to use their car. When the owner of a vehicle gives their consent to the use of that vehicle, they become responsible.
The lawsuit calls for reasonable compensation for the conscious pain and suffering undergone by Collin Birnie from the time of the crash until his death, loss of financial support and services of Collin Birnie, and the loss of companionship of Collin Birnie. Waun is quick to point out a victory in court would do little to ease the pain Birnie's family is feeling right now.
The Birnie family would trade any amount of money to have Collin back, to have Mr. Birnie back. That's not what's most important to them.
James Felton, WNEM TV5.
Genesee County Prosecutor David Layton had petitioned for the teen to be charged as an adult, but a judge denied that request. The teen faces a maximum punishment of detention until his 21st birthday. Had he been tried as an adult, the penalty could have been up to 15 years.